It's a 2001 Chevy Blazer, GMC Jimmy, blah, 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 blah. All right, these are all 11s. We're going to pull this driveline out. We got to get the encoder motor off the transfer case. I've already penetrating oiled everything and broke these loose. I used an 11 millimeter on this. I figured since it was 2001, it's pretty much all metric now. So we're going to take off these 4 bolts, pull the U-joint off of this, and then we're going to go to the other side and pry the axle out. Remember where they go and how they fit on. They fit on one way. So I put the bolts back over there. They should just, okay, pop one side. Don't lose these ball bearings, or these, don't lose these caps at all. Should be able to, yep. All right. Now that we got that lowered, we'll go to the other side. So we got that out of the way. Now we need to see if we can pry this off of here. Nope. We might have to tap it a little. I brought it back behind the shield. Just see if you can. There we go. That wasn't so hard. Now we're going to pull the axle out. And out of the way. The encoder motor's over here. I'll take you guys around so we can see it. Okay, this is your encoder motor. 1, 2, 3 bolts. So these are 15s. And then you have there's 2 wiring harnesses. There's one here and then there's one clear up there. Come on, it's not rocket science, man. Let's get it. All right. Okay, so I already disconnected that harness. It's right here. You just pull up on that tab and pull it back. These 3 bolts are out. 1, 2, 3. You can see the witness marks. And I know I have to pull this way, but I might have to pull this plate off. Yep, there's a bolt for this plate right here. And that's not the size, so we'll take that plate off real quick. 13. This one hooks over the air there, and there's a 13, and then there's one way in the back there. You take these 2 off. Take this down. You have to pry it down this way and then take it off. So pry it down, take it off the back like that, and the plate comes down. Now we can get this out. Just pull it this way, really carefully. Oh, right, there's a clip up there. Okay, hold tight, we'll get that clip off. Okay, so I had to hook pick that. Little tab, pop this out. So this looks to be in the same spot as the last one was, so we could put it back in same way. Clip it in here first, like that. Bring it back up. I don't need that light up there. Get it down here. Sorry, guys. Now, if I remember right, yep, brought it back underneath this. Right here. We'll put this back in a minute. Just need to get those bolts back in. We'll screw it back together and we'll be right back. We got all 3 of those bolts secured. Let's bring our wiring harness back. Plug it in. And then we need to get our plate back on and that back in there. That drive line. This thing is too rusty. Let's try a little bit of that. That should help. Okay, so there's a bolt here and here, and there's 2 holes in the back. They both go there, and then this piece goes back up here. Pretty simple. 1. There's a bolt way in the back over here. And then 1 here. We'll get that all tightened up. All right, we got all that tightened back up. Now we're gonna bring the axle back. I think right there. Let's flip it 180. No. See it? Yep. I just took a dead blow at the top, tapped it that direction. You could block wood or a little, whatever you need. So we're good here. Let's go around, put the U-joint back. So again, where these go matter. At least the way the cap faces matters. So try to remember when you take it out which way it goes. Okay. Cool. I'm gonna drive these in electrically and then we'll. Here's the last one. All I wanted to do was just electrically drive it in, make it easier. Now we'll go in and tighten them. This one's a little tougher. Okay, I bumped you a little bit. Sorry, guys. I got some other stuff to do with this Blazer. All right. Cool.